Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a complete guide on Bob's Furniture Store in Heartopia. Basically, you open the first one, like the first showroom when you reach DG level 5. I think this is the first showroom. Then the second showroom is this one, which you open on DG level 10. There's also some other items you can unlock here. As you can see, I haven't unlocked this one, which I will unlock once I reached level 35, which I'm not there yet. But you will unlock these along the way. So you can unlock just items purely like this. You can also unlock blueprints as well. So if you see that there is like a card here, you can press it and you can view the item. Basically, if it's a blueprint, you are able to craft it, and sometimes you are able to change the colors. I think that one you can, and then here's where you can buy rugs that are not there. I think for the rugs it refreshes every I think for the rugs it refreshes every week, if I'm not mistaken, like the showrooms. So for the showrooms, they refresh every week on Saturday, but for the items, they refresh every single day. Now, once you reach level 20 of your DG member, you will unlock this area, which is the third showroom. And usually it's like for kitchen and dining and stuff. So this is what it looks like. And you can also purchase like everything here. Okay. Then once you reach level 30, you unlock this super cool like office items, I guess. You can also purchase some items here. This is the fourth showroom. And yeah, that is pretty much it. There's only 4 showrooms. The last thing I just need to unlock is this one over here once I reached level 35. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.